message. So World Breastfeeding Week is from August 1st to August 7th, and I am heading with my family to Big Latch On. Apparently there's a whole lot of Big Latch Ons, like events, breastfeeding events across the world. There's a few of them in Miami, and they're all different types, hosted by different people. So the one that I'm going to is at Plantation Heritage Park. So I'm just going to show my support for breastfeeding. Shout out to Everyday with Ray for this t-shirt. You probably can't even see it because I am breastfeeding right now. This is actually a cool time to talk about my breastfeeding journey. We are here. So yeah, back to my breastfeeding journey. So my sister asked me last night, she's like, so Tasha, is being a mom, or just like, yeah, being a mother in general, is this everything that I imagined? To be honest, it's like I never really imagined being a mom. Like, I know I wanted to be a mom, but I never envisioned doing all the things that I'm doing. So as far as like breastfeeding, I didn't imagine breastfeeding. I didn't imagine cloth diapering. I didn't even imagine having a natural birth. It just so happened, and it's a journey that I'm like learning every single day. So like when I started breastfeeding, I had no clue what to expect. It's not like I had a lot of family or friends that were doing it that were close to me. So I feel like majority of motherhood is just me winging it. It's just me winging it. And I'm just glad how everything panned out, because Sage is like the sweetest thing ever, and he's helping me learn and grow. So yeah, it's nothing that I imagined because it was nothing that I expected. I didn't expect anything, so I didn't have anything to work with or nothing to change or nothing to fix. I literally just am figuring it out day by day. Is being a dad everything you imagined?
No. I'll be honest, I don't even know how to answer, because I am also winging it, but I was very mindful and cognizant that I wanted to make sure that I'm aware of what I'm doing when he's around.
It's walking time. If you're walking right now, make some noise.
Woo!
Yay!
Come on, guys.
Celebration. I might jump in that walk too. Let me get in there.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, like I was saying, shout out to Everyday with Ray for this t-shirt. Breastfeeding, cloth diapering, baby wearing, co-sleeping, AP, GP, attachment parenting, gentle parenting, natural mama. And we got the African man back there.
Shout out to On Car Delights. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. That's my shameless plug.
I think, you see, look at how much better the lighting is this way. I need to walk backwards. Look at my skin in this light. Yo, this looks like it's sweat, but it's really just oil on my face. Los bebés nacieron para tomar leche por los pechos. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. It was supposed to be Spanish. They ask me what I do and who I do it for. Me do it for the love, me not do it for the likes.
Do it for the love and I do it for the likes.
We're sitting down. He's already latching on before the big latch on because my son is hungry. Sage, but you stopped.
Working out lower back, and I actually pulled my back a couple weeks ago. Great, me too. And then sit back down.
Sees grass. That's
Now we love grass. Right there. Like 3 arm pressures. Up. That's it. Down. Very good. And if you can get baby.
Women is trying to show moms how to do yoga with babies and Seiji with it.
You get them to kick their legs. So you hold them more like that their dad did.
You guys just go ahead and do your thing. All right, are we ready? Babies, are we ready? No, it's not. Orange card so we can get a head count of how much latching we're doing, okay? All right, you ready? All right, looks like we're ready. Looks like we're ready. Look at me holding up an orange card.
You have an extra orange card?
All right, all right.
Yeah, I know. Just let them all latch first.
Yeah, latch.
And then we'll say you to collect.
All right, are we ready? 1, 2, 3. It's latching time, ladies! Woo! Make some noise!
I need y'all to take a look at this big kid. Say, you see mommy playing hopscotch?
You see mommy?
I think she's cheating.
This is really an amazing event. Because it brings so many people together, different cultures, just different people of all in general, and we're just all joined together by breastfeeding. And I am here because representation matters, showing you that black moms do breastfeed as well. So yeah, this was amazing. I just did hopscotch and I'm tired. I really wanted to talk about my breastfeeding journey. In the beginning, it was a little bit difficult. Not to the point where I wanted to give up, but it was a little painful, a little difficult because I did not know what to expect. Babe, do you remember like my first week of breastfeeding? He said, yep.
Bro, it's about a good 2-3 weeks
That what?
that you were like grabbing my hand because it hurt so much.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So yeah, the first like 2-3 weeks, yeah, it was.
I don't think it was that long. I think it was like
When were you grabbing in the middle of the night, sleeping?
it was about like,
Because we co-sleep, so that has to be added in there.
well, we know that, but it's not about that. It's the fact that
No, it is about that because when he wakes up to eat, you had to like roll over, put it in his mouth, and then you would immediately grab my hand and squeeze it, like wake me up.
this is why it sucks that I'm taking so long to film this video, because I wanted to do one when he was like a month old or 2 months old, when it was like fresh in my mind. Because like
it's
now,
still fresh in my mind.
now I'm a
That's why I'm
professional
here.
now.
We're teammates.
Appreciate
I'm here
you.
to help you.
You are my teammate. Yeah, but like the first week that I can remember, it was painful. I think it was because he didn't have a really good latch. He would just get on the nipple. As soon as he got on the nipple, he would start sucking. Like he
Like
would start
just the
sucking like
nipple,
right
not
away.
over the area.
Yeah, he didn't even get his mouth like deep onto like the whole boob. It was literally just on the nipple, and he would start sucking, and I'm like, shit, this hurts. So I had to like try and unlatch him to put it back in his mouth. It was just rough times, to the point where it was like it used to scab. And I think after a week, it was a day when I was like, okay, I feel like I can do this. It got numb to the point where I could continue to push through and do it.
Where does this one arm go? Does it go behind him?
It can go in front or behind. I kind of like it on the other side of your breast. It's there.
You can't cry and suck at the same time. Pick a struggle.
Here, relax your arm. Remember? See how you.
That's the trick. You gotta relax your arm.
See, because you're pulling him up past the nipple like that. Okay, sorry to be always lecturing you about your.
Listen, I never did this before.
Another day, another journey, breastfeeding. I never finished a video talking about my breastfeeding journey. But I'll give you guys an update. Hopefully sooner than later.
It's all done.